Hello children, as you all know in the previous session we had learned the topic pronouns. We have finished with the topic and now today onwards we are going to solve the worksheet from our textbook. So I want all of you to open your grammar textbook to page number 33. Okay, I hope all are ready. Grammar worksheet 2. See the first question here. Circle the describing words and underline the naming words they describe. Means in this what they have told you. I have told you to circle the describing words, that is adjectives, and underline the naming words that they describe. Is it clear children? So here you can see they have given you a few sentences, and in those sentences there may be more than 2 or 3 naming words. But here what you have to do is, there is no need to underline all the naming words. You have to underline only those naming words for which they have given the describing word. Is it clear? Now let's solve the examples and understand it. Okay. See the first example here. The little puppy drinks warm milk from the bowl. Okay, now see here, puppy, milk and bowl. These are the 3 naming words. But children, here you have to only underline those naming words which have the describing words. So now for example here, puppy. Puppy is a naming word. And how is this puppy? Puppy was little. So little puppy. For describing words we are going to circle and naming words we are going to underline. So the little puppy drinks warm milk. So how was the milk? Milk is the naming word. And how was the milk? Milk was warm. So we circle this describing word, warm. Okay. The next sentence. My friend has curly hair. Now in this sentence, friend and hair both are naming words. But which naming word is described here? Only hair. So we are not going to underline friend. We are going to underline only hair because only hair is described here. So how is the hair? Hair is curly. So we circle curly. The third one. I want a juicy apple for lunch. Now here apple and lunch both are naming words. But here which naming word is described? Only apple. So we are going to only circle apple. How is this apple? It is juicy. So we circle juicy. The fourth one. Tigers have dark strips on their bodies. Now here tigers, strips, bodies. There are 3 naming words. But tigers and bodies are not described. Only strips are described. So how are the strips on the tiger's body? They are dark. So dark we are going to circle because it is the describing word, and underline strips because it is naming word. The fifth example. A brown cat is asleep on the sofa. Asleep means it has gone to sleep. It is sleeping. Okay. So now here cat and sofa are the 2 naming words. But here which naming word is described? Only the cat. So cat we are going to underline and brown. How is the cat? Cat is brown. As we all know, colors also are describing words. Okay. Colors, number. Okay. Sixth one. Maya picked yellow flowers from the garden. Now see here. Maya, flowers, garden. They are three naming words. But here what is described? Only the flowers. Flowers are yellow color. Okay. So we are going to circle yellow and underline flowers. The seventh one. Raja is making a healthy snack. Now, Raja is a name, naming word, and snack is a naming word. Snack means something to eat. Okay, so here snack is naming word. And how is the snack? The snack is healthy. So, healthy is the describing word. Okay, eighth one. We live in the house with the white gate. Now here house and gate, these two are naming words, but house is not described here. Okay, only gate is described. So gate is the naming word, and what is the color of the gate? What type of gate it is? White. So white describes the gate. So describing word we are going to circle. Okay children. So today we have learned the naming words and the words that describe the naming words. Okay, this is all for here for today children. We are going to stop here and continue in the next session. Today you are going to write these 8 sentences in your classwork for the homework. Is it clear children? Okay, we'll see you in the next session. Thank you children.